Hello guys, today I received this package on my mailbox from, I made an order from Hollywood Body Jewelry. So I wanted to show you what I got. As you guys know, I sell jewelry online. So these are all stainless steels and I'm gonna start showing you one by one, okay? So stay tuned and hopefully you like it. Start with the first one. That's a pendant. I think it's a men pendant, golden tone, and as you can see it has the mark from them. It's a spikes jewelry, and this is a mason pendant. It has some CC clear stones on all the border on the sides, but as you can see, I think they sent me this one with a little bit of it's missing a stone here and it's missing a stone here. So I'm gonna have to sell this one for a discount. This is gonna go to my website, more likely to like $10–15 because it's missing 2 stones, but it's still looking nice. It's a golden tone large square pendant. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now I have this golden ring. I think this is a size 10 or 11. This is also going on my website, and it has a square diamond shape. It has CC clear stones on the square, and this is a size, it should be a 10 or an 11. So this is another nice ring that I have from that store. Another one is this little pendant. It's a heart, a stainless steel rose golden pendant, and it is a combination of different hearts. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts, and I have other chains as well in my inventory. So let's see what we can do with this one to pair it with a chain. Then let's move forward to this one. This one right here. I actually opened the box before the video, so it's not that uncomfortable. This one is a cute cross pendant that it has a heart in the middle, and it's surrounded with all CC crystals in the middle and on the wings. So as you can see, this is pretty cute. It's a cute cross sterling, no, it's not a sterling silver, stainless steel. I'll make another video with the sterling silver jewelry, but this is a stainless steel. As you can see, it has the brand that's Spikes. So let's move to the other one. I have this ring. This is a biker ring with the United States flags on their face. So this should be an 11. And I sold a lot of these, so now for the 4th of July, they should sell good. So let's see another one. Now I have 2 of these rings that I bought 2 of the same because they sell well for me. These are also Mason rings, and this is a Master Mason with the sign of the G in it, and it has the signs on the side. So it's 2 of the same. I think they're the same size. Let's move to the next one. The next one is more like a Gothic style. Let me see, hold on. This is more like an goth angel. No, I'm mistaken. This is like a, what is this? This is like a, yeah, this is more like a dragon, like an angel dragon or something like that. So this is pretty cool, you know, for like a motorcycle or for a bike guy. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This one is another one. I could say this one is more likely for like a goth style, you know. The same, it's or vintage style. I like it. I mean, it has a little heart in the center, and the cross is thick, and it has flowers on the sides. So I mean, I could sell this one pretty good. I mean, the pendant only for 25, or I could put a change, I can sell it for a little bit more. And let's see, this is another pendant for the biker. It's a biker pendant. It says live to ride, ride to live. And it's a, what is this? This is an eagle. Yeah, an eagle on the pendant. So let me put another change to this one to see if I can sell it. So let's go with this one. That's my favorite so far. This one, it looks like the pendant from the Mason pendant, but this one is a cross pendant. It just has the same layout, and it has a cross, and this one is not missing any stone, so this one could be a good price. And also it has a cross full of diamonds, CC diamonds in the center. So and it's marked with a brand on the back. So I'm gonna see if I can sell this one for at least 35. Okay, let's move to the next one. Then I have another golden cross, but this is for women. Let me see if I can put well, I need some gold tone chains for this one. I don't have right now, but this one is a pretty little cross. So the style of the cross, it has like a different edges. It's not all plain. It has like a, you know, kind of a style. So I would really like to wear these to go to church, or, you know, I mean, I'm Catholic, so to represent. Anyways, let me move to the next one. I got this. This is another cross. This is another cross that's nice also. It's also like a vintagey gothic style. So I mean, I like this one, but I think the other one, it's a little bit thicker, and this one is smaller. So let me see what else do I have. I have a ring, and remember guys, these are all stainless steels. I have this ring in vintage style with this should be a CC amethyst, and this should be a size 8 or 7. This is a pretty nice ring also. So what else do I have here? Oh, I ordered these two lion face ring because I have a customer that I actually did some deliveries to him, and I sell through OfferUp, and I did some deliveries, and he was in love with this specific lion head. So I got two because this sells well too. So let me show you what else. I have these spiral golden tone rings that I ordered, 3 of them, because these were very, these are good material, but they're very economic. So I think they cost like $3 per one or something. So I ordered 3, and I have good chances to sell like 15 each. So that's why I ordered 3. So let me show you what else. I have this one, another US flag ring, now for July 4, that I think I'm gonna sell well. And I have this ring sold good to a customer the other day. She really liked it, and it's a bluish kind of metallic ring on a silver base. Well, it's not silver, it's a silver tone, but it's a stainless steel with different cross. So this is pretty cute. I mean, pretty neat. I like it a lot. So what else? That's pretty much it. I have 2 more that are for I think these are Mason as well. This is the style that sells the most for Mason. It has a little sign on the sides, and it says Mason. Yeah, so that's it pretty much. I have 35 or 37 pieces of jewelry for like $113 including shipping. So if you are like into the jewelry business, oh, I forgot to show you one. This is another biker ring. This is another biker ring, but I cannot get it out, and I'm holding the phone with one hand. So this is another biker ring. Let me show you. American Biker. Anyway, so I'm into the jewelry business. So if you like more information where to get your pieces or how to start maybe a small jewelry business, please comment on my video. I mean, maybe we can sort or help each other. And I don't know, I mean, maybe you can visit my website. I'm actually doing a website, and you can see some of my stuff here. So hope you like this video. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye.